Ole, voi na chuan kanau ha nai le lili nen sangha kan khai do na tayan hei phona karon throi hlama lili kumeng zat ngai ne
I eat.
kum riat ma hana nang
9.
kum kwa. Okay, so what are we going to catch today? Catfish? What kind of fish?
Catfish.
Catfish.
I'm thinking about like catfishes.
How many you think you're gonna catch?
I don't know. Maybe like 1. I don't even know.
1.
Yeah.
Hana that. 2.
2. Wow. Chicken. Steve's of chicken. Just by seeing his head. Ooh, mamacita.
Hana.
Only that much water. That's the furthest I ever. I'm gonna take a nap. Oh my dead
You
body.
have to watch your fishing rod. You can't take a nap.
I know. I'm gonna be half asleep, half awake.
How's that possible?
I've done it before. One eye open, one eye closed.
Like this?
Like this. Like this. Okay, yeah. Now you got fish on.
Here we go. I can't do it. Oh, wait.
Drill it slowly. Frontward.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Yeah, I don't think I got it.
I think you got it. Slowly.
Oh no.
I think so.
Yeah, it's coming on.
Yeah.
It's coming on.
There's
Wait,
a fish
it's
right
going-
there.
It's hard. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it's on now. Oh, come on. Let me get it.
I don't know if there's fish.
This fish is hard.
There's a big fish right there.
Yeah, I know. It's just so hard to get from it. No, I'm good.
Is it hard that?
Yeah, it's very hard. I think it's a big fish for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Keep
it's a
reeling.
It's a big fish.
Keep reeling. Here.
Just
Keep
on.
reeling.
Okay, I think it's coming on.
There you go.
You got a
There you
fish.
go.
Yep, I know.
Good job,
Okay.
Lily.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah. Oh, wait. It's a big
Got a fish. I think it might be a catfish.
Oh!
Nice.
You got
Come on. Show it to the
catfish.
camera.
Oh,
Go.
God.
Go to the camera.
Oh, God, I don't want to hold this actually.
Got a catfish, Lily.
Okay, you got one. I think you got a fish on. Okay, reel it slowly.
On is it hard?
Yes, it's a big fish.
It could be
Okay,
a catfish
fight.
like mine.
You gotta fight with it.
Yeah, you know that's for your brother, right? That means you. That means me and your brother
Okay.
are in the lead,
Too
right?
much. Reel.
Oh no, mine! Mine's just rolling.
Okay.
Oh no, mine.
Pull.
Pull up.
Lily, reel.
No. Get it.
Like this.
Oh, no, mine is
your
so
left hand,
hard.
like this,
Oh God.
and then go.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
This fish is very hard.
Okay, reel. Okay, reel. Keep reeling. You got it, Lily?
Yeah. No. Yeah, I need someone to hold this.
Okay, reel. Okay, that's a big fish right there.
Yeah. I can't.
Okay, Hannah got a big fish too.
Oh, there's a fish. I got. Okay, it's very hard. Is it gonna like?
Okay, reel.
Yeah. Oh God. Yeah, I can't.
Reel.
Oh my gosh, that's a giant.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, come on, pull
Bring
it.
it up. Hannah, bring it up.
Yes, I got mine. Huh, my second one.
Here. All right here. All like this.
Okay.
Show it to
that
the
is
camera. All right here. Right here.
Good job. Look at that. That is crazy.
Oh God, I got this. Guys, I got this
Did she-
fish.
Did she catch a catfish?
Oh my gosh, it's rolling. It's rolling.
Right here. At the
Help
ball.
me, it's rolling.
Okay, show it to the camera. Go.
Guys,
Both
look
of
at
you.
this.
Show it
It's
to
so
the
big.
camera.
Here,
Pull
look
it up.
at it.
I'm very scared too.
Pull it up hard. Okay, let's see who got the bigger one.
Yeah, it's Hannah for sure.
Hannah got a bigger one.
Yep.
All right, good job. Give me 5.
Okay.
You
Okay.
have a girlfriend?
I'm show it to the camera. Hold this. Hold it by the ball. See the weight right here. Hold it right here, and then go to the camera. Show it. See, there's a big one. What do you say? Good job.
Good job to myself or you?
All right.
Or like what?
Let me take this away.
We have to get one more fish. Should I put the thing on it?
I just need one more fish, right?
Can I put the thing on it?
What thing? Lily, look at yours. Lily, pay attention to yours.
Yours is moving. A lot or little?
Reel it, Lily.
Reel it.
What now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just check it.
I'll just check.
Lily, what's this, okay?
Well, we already got a fourth one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you said we only need 4.
Mm-hmm.
But that's gonna be a 4th one.
It is stuck to that.
Reel it.
I
Keep
can't.
reeling.
Okay.
Reel. Okay, that is number 4 catfish, right? It's not big. It's not
I
bad.
got 2. Lily got
Good job.
2.
Okay. Let go.
Are we all done?
I think we're done.
I want to see all the fish.
One. Here.
Yeah.
Let's do this one while we are packing, okay?
Okay.
And you watch, okay?
Okay, I want.
We might catch another one while we're packing,
Like you lucky duck.
but don't pull it unless it's pulling really, really hard.
Okay, but let's check the fish.
Yeah.
Just slow.
If it's just a little bit, don't touch it, okay?
If we see a boba shop,
Got it?
Okay. I have been learning that for over. I live an hour here.
maybe like 2 hours. Lily, don't sit on them. I'm gonna pack them.
Let's move this.
Here, Lily, don't forget your wrist tie.
Reel a little bit. Lily, reel a little bit.
A little
Yeah.
bit. Just a little bit.
Left side, on your side. Your side. Yes. See how the line is not straight? It has to be straight. See, now it's straight, right? Don't leave garbage, okay? If you see one, pick it up.
Where you had the water bottle and you threw it on the ground. Where is it?
I already packed it.